guys, I just got this Balisong from Target today, a FlipFinz, and I'm going to be comparing it to my metal Vornex trainer. Metal, dragons on the side, holes inside, so it can't be sharpened. And so let's try it out. It lights up. This is their 2.0 version. They already came out with an earlier one before this, and the earlier one was not weighted. This one has weights in it. Pretty big compared to the metal trainer here. It's a little bit hard because I'm not used to it, I guess. So overall, okay, first impressions. I can do the thumb roll nicely, finger roll. It's a little bit big for my liking. It's a little bit hard to use at the moment because I'm just not used to it. It's very clappy. It lights out, of course. And so we're going to try a trick on the metal one and the plastic one and see how they compare. So I'm going to do a basic thumb roll here. Felt okay. It's just a little bit big, the handles here, and how they're weighted. It just feels different than the metal. Try one more time. That's okay. I'll try on the metal one. Obviously very easier on the metal one here. A lot more weight and distribution to it. And on a 1 to 10, I think I'd give this about a 6. It's legal to use in public. A little bit heavy, a little bit big, but pretty good trainer.